what I realized as you grow older? Totoo talaga yun. Na your peace of mind, your happiness, your joy, or your peace in general matters the most than what other people's opinions are or kung ano man yung iisipin sa'yo ng ibang tao. As you grow older, hindi mo na pala yun yung iisipin mo eh. Mas iisipin mo na kung saan ka may peace, kung ano yung mas makakabuti sa'yo. And let's stop blaming other people sa mga nangyayari sa atin or sa mga nangyari and mangyayari pa sa atin. Because we always have a choice. May problema ka sa partner mo, choice mo yan, nagstay ka eh. Mababa yung grades mo, choice mo yan. For sure, merong reason bakit mababa yung grades mo. Kinukulang ka, marami kang utang, ang hirap ng buhay. Let's stop blaming the government. Let's stop blaming our families, our parents, or how we were raised. Yes, may factor yung mga yon, but we always have a choice if we will let those things affect our lives. Yung situation mo ngayon, ikaw at ikaw lang din yung sisisihin mo kasi ikaw yung namili eh. Hindi naman kung sino man kasi you always have a choice. Nasa sa'yo kung susundin mo or papakinggan mo yung sinasabi sa'yo ng ibang tao. If hahayaan mo na maka-apekto yun sa choice na gagawin mo. But still, at the end of the day, it's still your choice. So, let's not blame other people and let's try to make better decisions that would, really matter to our lives and kung ano man yung makakapagbigay sa'yo ng peace, ng joy,